Hi, my name is Eric Rossneal. I am the Installation and Service Manager here at Verdun Windows and Doors by Nordik. I am very playful. I like to play video games on my free time. I have a little 2-year-old son that I absolutely love. A hobby I could talk about for hours, that would be on the lines of hunting. So yeah, of course I do like to go hunting. I like to do skeet shooting. Absolutely love hockey. So for hockey itself, I can talk hours and months, weeks, really. I can talk about any team, any player. Absolutely love it. My days off, they're spent with my son. We like to go to the park. He definitely likes to take walks. So he's getting me in shape at my age. My favorite family tradition, I would have to go with our Secret Santa. It is always fun because we always have someone dressing up as Santa Claus, and it's always fun because we obviously throw in some gag gifts in there. Biggest influence on my life, in my personal life, would be my stepdad. This man came in and chose to be my dad and shown me a lot through life. Something that people don't know about me in terms of music is I actually used to sing in a choir. Something I kind of veered away from with my professional work, but I absolutely love to sing, and now that my son is growing, he's already asking for guitar and drums, and I will happily provide. My name is Eric Rossneal. Thank you for choosing Verdun.